Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. Please go ahead and subscribe so you'll be notified every time your homegirl uploads all things and everything hair related. So in this video, we are going to be doing this unit. This wig is from Vivi Babi hair, and I'll have, their name and stuff in the description box as well as the title. So if you searched up Vivi Babi and you found me, this is how their kinky curly hair looks. This is their bob unit in 14 inches. It is 150% density, so it's not too thick at all. Absolutely not. And yeah, like I said, it's their kinky curly bob. The links for it will be in the description box below if you'd like to purchase. And before I get into the video, these curls are really nice and soft, and the hair is definitely more on the damper side of things. It's not wet, like fully wet, and I like it so far, like how it's drying down and stuff. I really think it's gonna be cute when it's fully dried down. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into this video. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna just do my baby hairs. I'm using my Got To Be Glued in my black tube, and I'm just gonna show y'all this much. That's what it looks like, and they have it at Walmart and at beauty supplies now. They've been having it at beauty supplies since YouTubers started using it a lot. So that's something to note. Like, you could actually find Got To Be Glued there. Usually you would never find Got To Be Glued there. So I just thought I'd tell you that for people who probably don't wear wigs and are like slowly transitioning into wigs, and you feel like, oh, let me go short before I go long. That's a pro tip for you. So when doing your baby hairs, my baby hairs at least, I use Got To Be Glued. So now that I've like taken out the hairs, I'm definitely cutting it. You could see I'm cutting it. Gonna just go in with some of the Got To Be on the toothbrush and just go in the direction that I feel like going in, which is always to the left. Sometimes I do go to the right. I just don't know. Like, I think to the left is my thing. I feel more comfortable like swooping my baby hairs to the left. So that's what I'll do. And if I'm not satisfied, I most definitely will be taking out more pieces just to make sure that everything is up to par with how I want it to be. I didn't want to do a side part. I low-key did. I wanted to do like the side part where you like, I think it's like slick it down. The side part where you slick it down, but then I was just like, I don't think so. So this is what we're working with so far. And as I go, I'm gonna just use my blow dryer just to ensure that I have everything down and secure and nothing's moving or getting up, because I know how curly hair could get. So let me get my blow dryer. And then I do have this wig glueless, so I can pull it up and I can take it off whenever I'm finished with wearing this unit without doing the whole hectic steps of releasing glue and all that good stuff. Well, it's not good if you gotta do all that and all that crazy stuff. So just so you know, it's glueless, and this wig came with a band in it. So once I tightened that band, everything was good to go and secure. So if you're a beginner and you're looking for glueless, this is definitely the unit for you. Again, going in and cutting, and I'm cutting a decent amount of hair, y'all. Like, I want these baby hairs to be just nice and laid down how I want them to be. So I'm gonna cut. It's gonna look more than I usually do if you usually watch my videos, but it's okay. Like, this is what I'm going for. And if anything and I change anything, I will definitely let you know. But honestly, I don't think I will, because I actually like it. Seeing that I'm not gonna be lifting up the hair. It's already short. There's no wind outside to be blowing this hair. I'm not gonna do down here. I'll just stick to where the edges are actually going to show, because honestly, if you're not the type of person to be doing wild stuff or like just going ham while you have your wigs on, then this method will definitely work for you. I just feel like I don't do too much. Like, I don't have nothing crazy going on where my hair is blowing in the wind. Like, girl, I do not have my top down living in California, dreaming, speeding. So I don't think I'll need to do the end pieces. So these are fine for me. Like, these baby hairs are nice. They're simple, easy to do, really beginner friendly for anyone who'd like to, you know, just get your wig on and out the door. And because it's a glueless wig and I didn't have to do much and it stays down, then I just don't feel like I need to do the sideburn pieces. I'm not gonna be like, edges, like, no, it is what it is. What you see is what you get. Just like that, I have the baby hairs down. It's secure pretty much, like it's not going nowhere. So now that I have that down, gonna just start sprucing up the wig by going in with my hot comb. It's turned on to 500 degrees. That's how high or hot it gets. And I'm just flattening out the top part of this wig. Because the back of the hair is already nice and curled up, and because I pretty much did some type of manipulation to the top portion, I'm gonna go back in with my spray bottle. This spray bottle has Cantu leave-in as well as water, more water than the Cantu leave-in, and I'm just gonna go in and redefine these top pieces. That pretty much concludes everything. I feel like once it dries down, and I probably like frame it to my face by cutting off excess pieces or just pieces that will make it make more sense for me, at least. I know I love it some more, but this is the final look. This is what it's giving. This is the 14-inch Kinky Curly Bob unit in 150 density, so it's really not too thick at all. These are what the curls look like when they're wet, and I'm sure they're gonna be way cuter when they dry down. And I like it, I really do. It feels as soft as butter, and yes, curls. That's what curls are supposed to feel like. Love that for her. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.